What makes Foy stand out? One, they're a very successful company. They've been on our list of the top 100 private companies for years. But in considering them for this award, the judges were impressed by several factors about Foy. One is that they are a family business that has been around for over 100 years in New Hampshire. They are a major employer in their area, and they are also a major contributor in the communities that they're in.
What we do in the community should be something that we feel great about it because of our passion. It's not something technically for the betterment of Foy Insurance. It's for the betterment of the community and the individuals involved. As an organization, we typically don't have a big event like a day of caring. We would prefer to the employee to have their specific day of caring.
Children's Chamber Fund was started by the Chamber of Commerce. But of course, with any fund, you need individuals who are really dedicated to it and go out and do the work. And one of Foy Insurance Group's employees does that. Foy is kind enough to give that employee time off and also contribute to the fund to allow them to lead the effort. So that fund has raised about $830,000 for children in need in the 10-town area around Exeter to provide warm clothing and bedding for them.
And what we found is through that passion, they encourage other employees to join them in their causes.
They're proud to be from Foy, and they're proud that their company allows them to take time off to go and help these folks. And I think what's really important is Foy encourages them to get the recognition from the community instead of passing that recognition onto the company. Well, I think they're a great insurance company for one. I think that they keep, by serving on advisory boards of insurance companies, I think they keep the interests of New Hampshire residents at least on the slate when insurance companies are considering products and services. So I think in terms of the insurance agencies, that's an important role they play in leadership.
And we have lots of involvement in the business community because we serve on a variety of insurance carrier boards, focus groups, councils, and also we have involvement in the industry itself of insurance. So a lot of times there's bills and they affect insurance, and they need to hear from a professional on truly, is this a good bill, bad bill, what's the best way to approach the language. And it's amazing sometimes that in any industry, someone's going to make a decision on our industry that has no knowledge of that industry. And eventually that will affect the consumer in the end.
Congratulations, Foy Insurance Group, and we're proud to have you as a member of the Exeter Area Chamber of Commerce.